My first surgery was a total knee replacement. I ended up with an infection that ate most of my tibia, fibula, and patella tendon. I was given the news that they were gonna have to amputate my leg. That just was not okay with me. My name is Nancy Rogers. I am a wife, I am a mom, I am a therapist, and this is the story of how I got my life back. From the moment I entered HSS, the care was exceptional. For somebody to tell me you're gonna keep your leg, it was magical. It was just this real feeling that somebody cared, that I wasn't a number. To go from hopeless to hopeful is all I can describe it as. Everything is so alive because I got my life back.